Are you interested in Eurovisions? I know that Finnish language can be hard to read, so I'm going to help you and tell you how Finnish people pronunciate the Finnish names that compete this year. So first there is Etta, then Linda Lampenius, Pete Parkkonen, so it's not Pete Parkkonen, it's Pete. And the name of the song is Liekin heitin. Komiat, and the name of the song is Lululai. Then the next name, the surname isn't actually Finnish, so I'm not sure how to say this surname, but the first name is Sinikka. I would say Sinikka Monte, but if I say it really Finnish way, if that would be a Finnish surname, it would be Sinikka Monte. Then Antti Paalanen, and name of the song is Takatukka. Chachi is not Finnish, so I don't know. And then the last competitor, Kiki, and name of the song is Rakkauden kipeä. Remember to roll your R. Roll your R. Hope this helps.